Chris Fritsch. I'm the founder and a CRM Success consultant for Clients First Consulting. Being a consultant for more than 15 years, I can tell you how challenging it can be to achieve CRM success. That's why I created this 4-part series that lays out the 8 steps you can follow that will not only prepare your firm for a new CRM project or implementation, but also help put you on the path to success by leveraging the technology to build lasting relationships and increase the effectiveness of your business development efforts. If you haven't already watched part 1 of this 4-part series on what to focus on and what system should we select, click the link in the description and you can watch it. Then please enjoy part 2 of the basics of CRM success, where I cover the associated costs of implementing a system, including setup, integrations, data quality, planning, and training. I'll also cover where should your CRM system live? What will it cost? Despite some perceptions to the contrary, the price of CRM systems that are purpose-built for professional services firms is typically lower than the price for a general-purpose CRM, especially when you take into consideration the amount of time and effort and money required to configure the system to meet the specific unique needs of a professional services firm. And while most CRM systems today are priced using a subscription model, quite a few firms are still on a model where they bought perpetual licenses years ago and continue to pay ongoing maintenance to the provider that's a percentage of the initial purchase amount. There can also be additional charges associated with CRM software to consider, such as hardware, configuration, implementation, integration, communication, training, and data quality. While some of the associated charges are one-time investments, others, such as training and data quality, require an ongoing commitment of time, money, and resources. Where will it live? Hosting is also a crucial element to consider in your CRM selection. Outside of law firms, most organizations prefer hosting their CRM system and data in the cloud, which is really just a fluffy euphemism for on a server somewhere outside the firm. While this has been a standard for other industries for over a decade and is often even more secure than hosting the system within the firm, in the past, a lot of firms took a pass when it came to allowing their sensitive contact data to reside outside the firm's firewall. As the pandemic made remote work a reality, firms have finally felt more open to cloud-based options, which have fewer hardware requirements, require less IT time and maintenance, are designed for remote access, and can actually improve efficiency and be more cost-effective. These are some of the important questions you need to ask before investing tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars into a CRM project. Evaluating the cost and scope of such an investment up front is incredibly important because if done improperly, you'll end up with a project that takes longer and costs more than you originally planned and still may not meet your needs. If you're trying to see how much a CRM project will cost your organization or trying to determine which software is the right fit for your firm, don't do it alone. Reach out for help. The Clients First team has helped literally hundreds of firms successfully select and implement CRM systems. We're committed to the success and the growth of our clients, and we're always happy to share information, ideas, and best practices to help you achieve CRM success.